We'll guide you through how to access your ChatGPT chat history. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see a sidebar. This sidebar is your main hub for navigating ChatGPT. You should see an option labeled History in the sidebar. Click on History to access your past conversations. The chat history section is organized by date and time, making it easy to find specific discussions. If you have many past chats, you can use the search bar at the top of the history page to quickly locate a particular conversation by typing in keywords or phrases you remember from the chat. Once you find the chat you want to revisit, simply click on it to open the full conversation. This feature is great for referencing previous advice or continuing where you left off with a project. Remember that the chat history automatically saves as you use ChatGPT, so there's no need to manually save your chats. Just make sure you're logged in when you want to access them. If you ever want to delete a chat, you can do so by selecting the conversation and looking for a delete option, often represented by a trash icon. Click it, and confirm any prompts to clear that history. This is a handy way to manage your data and keep things organized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.